Guys, welcome to another new video. My name is Pranay. Today I am going to show you if your WordPress website showing PHP update warning and you have the deprecated version of PHP like below PHP 8.3, in case 8.2, 8.1 or other least version, so you had to update the newer PHP version. And on your WordPress website you are using LiteSpeed Web Server, so how you can to update the PHP. In this video I am going to show you that how you can do it. So let's begin. So as you see, this is my website prowebtips.com. Initially I was installed 8.3 version in this website. So recently I upgrade to 8.4.11 and I am using LiteSpeed Web Server, as you can see in the dashboard here. So I'm going to show you the quick steps so you can follow in case you are using VPS server or any kind of dedicated web server. And in case you are using control panel or any shared hosting, you can contact like hosting provider. They will definitely resolve the PHP version issue. So let's start. So first of all, go to your server console. You had to log in with your terminal, and then you had to use the command to install the latest version of PHP. As you can see on my screen, these are the command LiteSpeed PHP 8.4 and then the common modules and some required modules that should be installed to use WordPress. So you can I will put this command in the YouTube description section. You can copy it, or you can visit my website where you can copy the whole command, and you just what to do, just copy the whole link and paste it your web server terminal. Okay, and hit enter. So you see these are already installed in my server, so it's showing it's already the newest version 8.4.11. so in case in your server you don't have the latest version, it will install. So that's it, and afterward you had to head out to your web console. Here it is. So again, when you log into your web console, you had to head out to server configuration section. Okay, afterward click on external app, then you will see LiteSpeed SAPI app, then click on edit, scroll down and change the command. The command should be the latest version, that would be 8 lsphp 84/bin/lsphp. Then save it, and what you have to do, click on this graceful restart icon and click on go. It will restart your web server, and after some time, like it will take 1 or 2 minutes maximum, and you will see this warning go out. And if you go to the your WordPress settings section and go to the site health, and if you click on info or past test, you will find that your site was running with latest version of PHP. So that's it guys for this video. If you think this video was helpful, please like and share this video, and don't forget to put any suggestion in the comment box. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.